All right, we're ready to steam. I have my machine here. I have this wand I use so that I can put it in there and get the steam exactly where I want it. But there is a problem with this machine. This steam machine is powerful. It blasts the steam out, 2,500 pounds per square inch, something like that, really hard. Well, I don't want that to hit the guitar. I don't want to blast the joints with that kind of steam and pressure. So I laid a block of wood about half this thickness, a block of wood I laid inside there. And I'm going to spray this onto that wood. Let it take the pressure. And then the upper bout will get the steam and heat. But that piece of wood block will take the pressure from the steam. And it'll kind of protect the guitar. Like I've said, I've done this at least 10 times. And hard to remember how many times because I didn't keep good records at first. But I've done it over 10 times. And putting that heat in there, I had a fear that the braces, the glue that holds the braces in place would loosen up and the braces would fall. You know, I've been doing this that many times. None of them has ever had that happen. And I think I know why. I think we have this thing clamped so tight, so rigid, that yes, the heat will melt the glue. The heat will soften everything inside. But then when it dries exactly in the same place where it is right now, where we want it to be. So that drying and re-curing of the glue means nothing falls, nothing changes from this shape. And that's a good thing. So let's turn this on. Takes a couple of seconds here for it to warm up. I like to toss a t-shirt over it so that I've got, keep the heat and the steam inside. Oh, I hear it now, she's starting. Now, if you wonder how long I do this, I do it until this is very hot, till the upper bout is extremely hot, to where you can't hardly touch it with your hands. Now, I have my steam on the lowest setting for pressure, but it's still pretty strong. You can see it starting to escape up. Oh, it's getting warm now, yeah. Up here starting to get hot. That one over there is hotter, so I must be aiming over there a little too much. Aim it over here. Try to get it in the middle where they stay even. I'm going to do this now. You'll see me do it. You'll see how long it took to get it hot from room temperature room. I do this 3 times. I let it cool back off to room temperature. I don't take anything loose. I don't take anything out. I don't change anything. I let it get back to room temperature, then I steam it again. I do it so I had steamed it 3 times. And 3 times I've taken it to the point where you can't hardly touch the wood. Remember I was telling you that the fretboard raising up creates a little mound? I can feel those right here. Now that thing's good and hot. I think we can shut it off. It's hot to where I can't touch it. I can't lay my hand on it and touch it. So we'll let it set. And we'll let it set, and then I'll come back when it's cool off. When you come back, or when I come back to you, all the steaming will be done and we'll be ready to unclamp it. But you don't go anywhere because it's going to happen next.